Hi there. Happy whatever day it is, Internet. Welcome to Crypto Revolution. A very warm welcome at that. William Woody here. And as I hope you know, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. Don't do something just because the Internet told you to. Make your own decisions. Make your decisions about investments as the result of research and the product of your own conclusion. I know you're an adult. Do adult things. I am here to talk to you tonight about Raccoon Coin. A meme token has appeared, which, according to rumors and a number of coincidences, is associated with the founding team of PayPay, that little frog we've seen all over the internet in the past handful of years. Now, in a very short period of time, they had collected $1 million of liquidity from funds and exchanges, so listing on CEX exchanges is guaranteed. The very fact that an unknown project attracted the attention of major players at an early stage confirms the connection with the PayPay team. Raccoon Coin, which is currently undergoing its first round of public funding is currently undergoing its first round of public funding that anyone can participate in. This lovely little, I don't know, is this from The Simpsons? Is it a proper Simpsons image, or is this an AI or a recreation? Gosh, that show, it's been around forever, and the art certainly looks like The Simpsons, but, excuse me. It's very late. This is an exciting thing. I'm just sleep deprived. Guardians of Meme. We raid fast. So, we got Bart being strangled by Trash Panda Homer. Complete the missions below for a chance to win airdrops. We're all a little bit of a raccoon. I don't know. Oh my. Raccoons on the internet. Earn Rack 1 token for every repost. Simply retweet on Twitter. Or X, as we now call it. But there you go. Oh yeah, Raccoon on the PayPay Frog's shoulder. Oh. So, they're boasting a connection to PayPay. That is something worth looking into. Oh, I'm too tickled by these videos. Well, I am going to keep looking up raccoon videos. You guys, links are in the description. Check it out. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you at the revolution. Life is funny.